How to save Snapchat pictures to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save Snapchat pictures to your phone gallery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the chat icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the chat section, just select the chat or the snap that you want to save. And now here, once you are inside that snap, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you just have to tap on the download icon to save the picture to your phone gallery. But note that if the sender has disabled saving, then you may not be able to save the snap directly like in this video. And with that, the next step is to save your own snaps. So here, if you want to save your own snaps, so here after taking the snap, you simply have to tap on the save option which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you do that, it will be directly saved to both of your memories and galleries. And here for the galleries, make sure that save to camera role is enabled in settings. And with that, moving forward to the next step, that is to enable auto save for future snaps. So simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. Now here, from this section, you simply have to tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the memories option. And now here, make sure that auto save my snaps is enabled. And here, with that, now you know how to save Snapchat pictures to your gallery easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.